The internet has always been a place where people chase fame. From early YouTube stars to viral TikTok sensations, social media has given millions of people their shot at the spotlight. But now, there's a new player in the game: artificial intelligence. AI isn't just changing how we work and communicate, it's also changing how people build online fame. Some of the biggest influencers today already use AI for everything from writing captions and editing videos to automating engagement and even generating their own virtual personalities. So, what if you could use AI to go viral? What if AI could turn you into an overnight social media sensation? That's exactly what we're going to explore today. Can AI make you famous? Can it generate viral content, boost engagement, and grow a following without you doing all the heavy lifting? I put AI to the test in different ways, from AI-generated posts to AI-driven engagement strategies, and the results were surprising. Let's break it all down. The rise of AI in social media. AI is already deeply embedded in the social media world. Algorithms decide what content gets pushed, AI chatbots handle customer interactions, and recommendation systems suggest what you should watch next. But beyond that, AI has become a tool for content creators. There are AI-powered video editors that cut your clips in seconds, AI writing assistants that generate captions and scripts, AI voice generators that let you create professional narrations without even recording your own voice, AI-driven engagement bots that automatically comment, like, and share posts to boost visibility. And then, there are full-blown AI influencers, virtual characters designed entirely by artificial intelligence. It's clear AI is already playing a huge role in social media. But can it really be used to go from zero to famous? To find out, I ran a series of AI-powered experiments to see if AI could create viral-worthy content, boost engagement using automation, grow a following using AI-driven strategies, even build an AI-generated persona. The goal was to test if AI could replicate the process that real influencers use to gain fame without needing human creativity, constant effort, or a big budget. Experiment 1. Can AI create viral content? The first step to social media fame is content. If you don't post, you don't grow. But the big question is, can AI create content that actually goes viral? I tested AI content creation in multiple ways. 1. AI-generated posts. I used AI writing tools to generate Instagram captions, Twitter threads, and Facebook posts. The AI analyzed trending topics and created posts that sounded human-like. Some were simple motivational quotes, while others were hot takes on viral topics. The engagement? Mixed. Some posts got decent traction, but most felt generic. AI was great at writing text, but it lacked a true personal touch. 2. AI-edited videos. Next, I used AI-powered video editing tools to create TikToks and YouTube Shorts. AI selected the best clips, added transitions, and even generated subtitles. This worked incredibly well. The AI-generated videos looked polished and professional, and they took a fraction of the time to produce compared to manual editing. 3. AI-generated images. AI image generators like Midjourney and DALL-E can create eye-catching visuals in seconds. I used AI to generate aesthetic Instagram photos, thumbnails, and even meme templates. Some looked amazing and got solid engagement, but AI sometimes struggled to make realistic images of people. So, can AI create viral content? The answer: partially. AI can generate great content fast, but for it to truly go viral, human creativity is still needed. Experiment 2. Can AI boost engagement? Posting content is one thing. Getting people to actually see and engage with it is another. Engagement is the secret sauce behind social media fame. Likes, comments, shares, and followers determine how much visibility you get. To test AI's power in engagement, I used different AI-driven automation tools. 1. AI comment generators. AI can generate smart, engaging comments to post under viral tweets and Instagram posts. I automated comments on trending content to see if I could attract followers. The result: it worked, but only to an extent. Generic AI-generated comments didn't stand out, and people could tell they weren't authentic. 2. AI auto-likers and followers. Some AI tools can automatically like and follow accounts to trigger a follow-back effect. This method did help increase my follower count, but the audience wasn't highly engaged. Many of the follows were random and didn't translate into real community building. 3. AI chatbots for engagement. I also tested AI chatbots that automatically respond to DMs and comments. This was surprisingly effective. The AI was able to keep conversations going, reply instantly, and make my account seem highly interactive. Can AI boost engagement? Yes, but with limitations. AI-driven engagement works, but it can feel robotic if overused. Experiment 3. Can AI grow a following? The biggest question: can AI help you grow a large audience? I tested this by combining AI-generated content with AI-driven engagement strategies. I set up a brand new Instagram and TikTok account, posting AI-generated images and videos while using automation tools to engage with people. The goal was to see if AI could build an account from scratch. So, can AI make you famous? After running all these experiments, here's the answer. AI can definitely help you grow on social media, but it won't automatically make you famous overnight. AI-generated content saves time and effort. AI automation boosts engagement. AI-driven growth strategies work to an extent, but real fame still requires authenticity, creativity, and personal branding.